I want to talk about this deck board straightening tool that SDS NTE sent me to do a video on. First of all, I have a lot of complaints about lumber today. First one is it keeps getting smaller. 2x4s are no longer 2 inches by 4 inches. The second thing is everything is got a curve to it. Everything is bent, so it makes it really frustrating to do anything and keep straight lines. And that's where this comes in. This is going to be really handy for me when I update my deck this coming spring. Now the tool itself is 10 gauge steel, so this thing is rugged. Some people might be concerned that as you're putting torque on it to straighten out the boards, that it's going to bend. Not this thing. This thing is solid construction, built very well. And you can see right there, I've got a couple of my boards. I really need this once spring comes. I'm going to do a little bit of maintenance. But it's easy. You put it right on the joist there, and it is adjustable for larger joists. And then you will simply pull the lever back and put the board into place and screw it or nail it exactly where you want it. This thing's going to be great. No more losing time or sanity over subpar lumber again. If you're going to be working in your deck anytime soon, please click on the link in the description below.